Hey guys, it's Cameron here, aka Cam Dog the Bounty Hunter, here with Matt, aka Nappy Lion Prime.
What's up, everybody?
It's another things to do in Minecraft, and it's
this is the
Valentine's
room where you get your
Day edition.
on before you get your sprint on.
It's
Let's
love.
do this.
Love's in the air.
Love
Look
is
at
the
that.
theme. Look at how
And
pretty.
that's-
You did a good job.
Thank you.
This
It's
is very
really,
well
it's,
themed.
it came out of me with love.
You
Anyways,
and Pink go together
so that
like
first
Pink
one,
and Gay.
That first one is the lava wet jumps of love, and then that sandy area
love it.
is the slow bones of love.
Slow bones of love.
You'll see why in a minute.
Sounds
And
romantic.
then
Slow
that's
bones.
the burning hot balls of love.
Burn hot balls.
And then I'll let you name this one.
What is that? What exactly
It's just
happens? I
you
need to see
take
what
a
happens.
wet ladder all the way up and hop across those little things to another wet ladder all the
Leap
way to
of
the top.
faith.
You want to call it the leap of faith?
Leap of faith.
The leap of faith. The wet leap of faith.
Wet leap of faith. Why not? What's this? What are we looking at?
And then this is
A boner?
showing me you put the bones, the skellies in that little area, and then now it's daytime.
And here we go.
Here we go.
What's going
Going
on?
over the wet, hot leaps of love.
Wet hot leaps of love.
I think that's what I called it.
I'm not even sure.
Like it better.
You definitely
wet hot leaps
changed
of love.
everything.
And then
oh
this
my
is
god,
the
did you just
slow
get
bones
shot?
of love. The
Slow bones of love.
You're getting
You are
shot by
dying
skeletons. I'm gonna
by
make
Cupid's arrows. It looks like how romantic.
it. I'm gonna let my health
Hot,
recharge.
sensational.
And then we're gonna
balls
make it across the burning hot
of
balls of love.
passion.
Oh, didn't make it the first time.
Burning hot balls of passion.
Burning hot balls of passion. We're gonna change to that. All right.
Burning hot
Here we
balls
go.
of passion.
Boop. Boop.
Oh, second attempt is a
And
failure.
I'll be honest, I'm pretty sure that's as far as I got, and I
and
skipped
then you
it.
just quit.
But after
You
3 times of not being
failure.
able to do it, you can go on to the next attempt.
Leap
the
of
next,
faith.
the next,
the leap of
leap of faith.
the leap of unmeditated faith.
Oh yeah.
You kind of cheated. You're not supposed to jump in the water first. You cheated.
I made it before the bottom.
I'm gonna say you cheated. Okay, here we are coming to the end. What
We're going
is the
up
victory?
to the top. You got to go through the heart of love.
Heart of love.
And that's things to do in Minecraft.
Ballin'.
Wipe out Valentine's Day edition. Boom! Love's in the air.